What's up, food lovers? So today I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna make Gordon Ramsay's buttermilk fried chicken. The other day I was just browsing looking for recipes, see what I could do for my family. So I came upon Gordon Ramsay's recipe on making fried chicken. So today I'm gonna show you how I make it, and I'm gonna taste it and see if it's good or not, and I'm gonna let you know. All right, let's go.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
So what's up, guys? Here we are, all set up. I got my black pepper, I got my salt, and I got some buttermilk. All right, we have 12 piece leg and thigh dark meat, cut and clean. I'm gonna pour it in. Then we're gonna sprinkle some pepper, black pepper. Some salt. Give it a little flavor. It didn't really tell me how much, so we're just gonna sprinkle whatever we feel. Like that. And we want the buttermilk to tenderize the meat. This will tenderize the meat over.
Dad, what are you doing?
I'm cooking fried chicken. Want to help?
Okay, I'm kind of getting burned though. We're not gonna burn it today.
So, like that. I'll mix it up. So we're gonna wrap this up. Ideally, you want to marinate it overnight, but we want this for dinner. So we're gonna marinate for 6 hours, and we're gonna deep fry it. So I'll be right back. Let's go. Okay guys, this part, we're gonna be mixing the flour. So Chef Ramsay uses all-purpose flour, I believe, in his video. That's what I'm gonna use. Just bought this brand new packet of flour. Not sure how much he puts in, but we're gonna go and see how much 12 pieces of chicken will fit. So we're just gonna pour it in. It should be good. All right, set this aside. He said a little salt, little pepper, a little bit more. So, and then he uses smoked paprika. Not sure how much he uses, but I see him use this in there. So it gives a little colorful. Bam, like that. And then some cayenne pepper. Give it a little kick. Oh, here we go. Bam, like that. And then some garlic powder. He said we use this a lot in the state. Garlic powder, onion powder. So we're just gonna give a spoonful like that. Then we'll run our hand through it. Mix it up real good. I'm not sure if it's gonna be enough seasoning or not, but we will find out. If it's not much seasoning and tastes a little bland at the end, we just add sugar on, not sugar, add a little salt on top. Or ketchup, some dipping sauce. Okay, that's nice and good. See that? So let's leave it to the side. Now let's get our oil ready. All right, let's go. All right, here we're all set up for pan frying or deep frying the chicken. We're just gonna fill this pan up halfway. I'm using vegetable oil. Not sure what he's using on his video, but I'm using vegetable. Hopefully it will taste the same. How would I know? I wouldn't, but I'll tell you if it's good or not. Okay, halfway. Let the oil heat up, and then we'll be right back. All right, so the oil is nice and hot. We are ready to flour it, and then we're gonna fry it. All right, so you wanna leave this out, the chicken out, for it to be room temperature so we can deep fry it. Now we're gonna flour it up, and we're gonna fry it up. Get this nice and coat in, and then we're gonna flour it up. Get that all nice in there. Let's do it again. Get flour it up. Bam. Get nice and coated. All right, now we are ready to drop it in the pool. Here we go. I'm gonna drop it away from you. Just like that. So after 10 minutes of frying it, we're gonna flip it over. That looks good. Okay, after 20 minutes, I believe the drums are cooked. Look, they're all dark. I turned the heat up and down because I figured, you know, the oil was getting too hot, so I turned it down. They got a little dark, but it's still cooked and fine. We're gonna take the drums out. The thigh is a little bigger piece, so I'm gonna leave it in there for like another couple minutes. These drums, about 20 minutes. I'm gonna leave these thighs in for maybe 25 minutes. They look like they're about to be done, but just to be on the safe side. All right, just repeat the process. That's it. Can't wait to taste them. They look so crispy. Drop it in the pool. Just like that. All right, we're gonna cook this up, finish it up, and then we're gonna show you how crispy and how juicy it'll be coming out and how it tastes. All right, let's go. So here we go, guys. Finished product. Looks good, so crunchy. Took me about an hour to finish 12 pieces of chicken. Deep fried it. Looks good. Mouth been watering. First bite. All right, let's see how it goes. crunchy, tender. Not bad. Just need a little bit more seasoning, I think. I think it needs more seasoning. But shell, crunchy, meat, tender. Super juicy. Not bad, Chef Ramsay. It's delicious. Just need a little bit more salt, I think. Yep, a little bit more seasoning for me. Maybe a couple more teaspoons. That'll be all right. I should have pinch some salt on the outside. It'll be good too. But this definitely needs some ketchup. All right. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you, Chef Ramsay. And I'll call it a good chicken. All right. Thank you, guys. See you next time. Make sure you push the subscribe button if you like this video, and push the like button also. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for coming in. Bye.